So, did you hear the gospel message? Yes. Great. Would you like to pray and ask Jesus into your heart? Well, yeah, sorta. Well, would you like to pray? What? I don't really know how to pray. Oh, okay. I tell you what. I'll pray. And if what I pray is what you want to say, repeat these words after me. Well, I don't know. Okay. Okay, pray this prayer. They pray this prayer. Did you pray the prayer? Yes, I prayed the prayer. Are you saved? Well, I don't know if I'm saved. Of course you're saved because you prayed the prayer. The sinner's prayer has probably done more damage to condemn souls to hell. The sinner's prayer has done more damage to corrupt the church because we filled the church with a bunch of lost people. Now, can someone pray a sinner's prayer and be saved? Absolutely.